What's going on, everybody? Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. It's Worm Wednesday. I have a pretty big feeding today. Some spinach. It's starting to kind of go bad. So that will be what I'm feeding the worms today. Hey, if you haven't had a chance, I did a short yesterday. I was actually at Dover Downs International Speedway and I had to replace a camera. It's a quick short video. Let's go check out this bin. Man, I really got to get a large pot and put this guy out. It's a little too cold for us right now. Okay, yeah, this potato, it is going crazy. Look at those roots. Okay, we still got a little bit of lettuce. Can you see it? Come on. That's the piece of apple core. You see a little baby worm? Some more little worms. Wow. I hope it. Scoot that a little closer. Come on, focus. Check it out. Well, very happy that the worms are hanging out in that area. Give everything a quick turn. Trying to get those few pieces of lettuce back in the center here. I'm going to see about feeding right in the center now. So I'm going to put a good amount in. I don't know if you can see, you know, a couple pieces started wilting and kind of getting a little slimy, so put that all in. Yeah, look. Ugh. Go with our little peanut shell, eggshell, and a little bit of sand. Okay, cover everything up real quick. So now I fit in the center. Yeah, the paper's still holding on to a little moisture, but comment, subscribe down below. Let me know how everybody's making out. And also, I have a few videos coming up I'll be planting some pepper seeds, some tomato seeds. I'll be showing you my broccoli and cauliflower, how that's looking right now. I had a slight setback with my onions, but I will be planting them a new way. So just be prepared for some new videos coming out soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.